Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking braised herbal chicken with seafood, or which we fondly call it, triple happiness or 三喜临门. This recipe is brought to you by Knorr. I love Knorr products because they are made from real ingredients and are really delicious and super convenient. For this dish, we'll be incorporating Knorr SavorRich chicken concentrated seasoning as well as Knorr ikan bilis stock cube. Knorr SavorRich is made with slowly simmered chicken, giving your dish a rich meaty flavor, just like a long boiled homemade broth. Knorr ikan bilis stock cube is low in sodium and made from real ikan bilis or dried anchovies. We named this dish Triple Happiness or 三喜临门 in the hopes that an abundance of happiness will knock on your door in the coming year. Without further ado, let's start cooking. Now we'll marinate our chicken. I have with me over here one whole fresh chicken weighing 1 kilogram. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of Knorr SavorRich chicken concentrated seasoning. This is made with slowly simmered chicken, giving your dish a full meaty flavor, just like a long boiled homemade broth. It is low in sodium and has fewer saturated fats. Add 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 thumb-sized ginger crushed, and the stem of 1 spring onion. Rub it all up, massage the marinade into the chicken, into the cavity also. This will be very delicious. Once this is done, we'll leave it in the fridge to marinate for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll cook our chicken. I'll be using the half poach and half steam method. In a deep wok or in a pot, add in 1 liter of water. Add in 1 piece of tang shen, 3 pieces of angelica roots. You can easily get these herbs from supermarkets or Chinese medicinal halls. 200 milliliters of Chinese rice wine. Now if you don't take rice wine, you can always replace this with water, no problem. This is to give this dish a much better taste. Add in 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. And most importantly, add in 1 cube of Knorr ikan bilis stock cube. I like this because it's made from real ikan bilis and it will make your stock more umami. Put in the whole cube. Put the lid on. Turn the heat to medium-high and wait for this to come to a boil. The water is boiling already. We'll add in our chicken. Place in our chicken, breast side facing down. Be very careful when you do this. I'm using the half poach, half steam method because it's faster than steaming alone and allows the goodness of the chicken to remain in the stock. All the marinating liquid you can just pour over the chicken. Now remember, we haven't salted this yet. After this is done, we'll just taste and see how much salt we actually need. Now we put the cover back on and turn the heat down to low, and we'll simmer this for 30 minutes before we flip it over. I'll see you back in a while. 30 minutes have passed. Let's have a look. Wow, smells really good. Now slowly we'll turn the chicken to the other side. Try not to break the skin. Right. Put the lid on and we'll cook this for another 15 minutes. If you prefer your chicken to be more tender, you can actually cook it for another additional 15 minutes or so. 15 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, very nice. Now we'll turn the heat up to high. Push the chicken aside. We'll add in our prawns. 8 pieces of big prawns, approximately 300 grams. Put them all in. Also add in some vegetables. I'm using wong pak over here. How much? Really up to you. I'm using about 4 leaves. Put the lid back on. And we'll cook this for 5 minutes before we add in our scallops. I'll see you back in a while. 5 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, look at this. Now shift the vegetables aside. We're going to add in our scallops now. Now we add in our scallops, about 250 grams. I'm using a bigger scallops like this, so this might take about 2 minutes or so. Just pour them all in. Put the lid back on. And we'll cook this for 2 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 2 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, look at this. Now all we have to do is just thicken it up with some cornstarch solution. Thicken it up to the consistency that you like. Pour in a little first, then just give it a light stir. The purpose of this is so that the sauce can easily be coated on the chicken and will taste so good. Oh my, this is going to be really, really delicious. Now, of course, please taste. If you would like it saltier, you can add a little bit more salt, but to me, this is perfect. All right. Once this is done, we'll just add in a little bit of wolfberries. Turn the heat off, and it's time for our dinner. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Scallops. Cooked just nice. Really, really, really good. A little bit of sauce. The taste is very, very good. The scallop is sweet, tender. Let's try the chicken now. Let me use my hand. Finger licking good. The chicken is really, really very flavorful, very tender, and it has absorbed the taste of the SavorRich and the stock from the ikan bilis very, very well. Very, very delicious. I hope you found our recipe easy. Remember to get your Knorr products today from major supermarkets. Knorr products are made from real ingredients, and both their SavorRich and stock cubes are Healthier Choice certified. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. Bye bye!